An essential part of our response to this emergency is the principle of solidarity. From across society, companies and individuals have come forward to provide financial and other forms of assistance. In support of this effort, we have decided that the President, the Deputy President, Ministers and Deputy Ministers will each take a 1/3 cut in their salaries for the next 3 months. This portion of their salaries will be donated to the Solidarity Fund. We are calling on other public office bearers and executives of large companies to make a similar gesture and to further increase the reach of this national effort. I must say that the premiers of our country and our provinces have also joined in, that they will also take a 1/3 pay cut and donate that to the Solidarity Fund.
Danny Lewis coming to you here from Suncell Developments. Man, that's what we do here. We 10x everything. We 10x everything. Hey, I'm shooting this video for you because now is the time. I've been listening to my mentor and he's been saying it over and over and over and over. Now is the time to shine. Now is not the time to try. Trying is not good enough. You have been trying this entire time when the economy has been good and it is not working. It is not generating enough revenue, enough products and services in the hands of your customers. It is not enough. You got to stop trying, man. Quit trying. Leave the trying game at home and start being extraordinary. Now is the time to get things done, completed, contracts signed off. If you gotta discount your prices, man, discount the objections and the complaints and learn how to close the deal, how to seal it, how to lean into it, how to ink it. That is what you got to be doing right now. Now is the time to get done. Quit trying. The product of trying is having tried. So don't do it. It's not a workable formula. Ordinary is no longer ordinary. These are extraordinary times and we've got to be extraordinary ourselves. So quit trying and start committing to greatness. Start educating yourself. Start learning more content. Start figuring out what else can I do to generate revenue for my business. How can I invest more in myself so when the economy gets better, I know a lot more, because in order for me to change, I've got to change. It's that simple. And change requires that you give up something to get something. Look, if you're not disciplined, if you're a slacker, if you're lazy, if you are super emotional because, oh my gosh, I'm an introvert, you got to give that up and you got to start being dangerous. You got to be aggressive. You got to be out there and getting what's yours. You got to exchange that with something more valuable: discipline, knowledge, education, time, that you got to invest in you and your business, and exchange that for something that has been stopping your business expansion. Netflix, being lazy, not being motivated, not having new knowledge, not having new technology. You got to exchange that for new knowledge, and that is change. Because if you're gonna change, you've got to change, man. That's my message for you today. Keep it real. 10x. Follow us on YouTube. Let us know whether you like this video or not. Comment. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, man. Keep it real.